Hey everybody, I'm back with another GRE sample question about area of triangle using the coordinates. These questions are typical questions that have been included in GRE exams during last years, and we are going to answer to those questions and find a simple solution for these types of questions. So the answer is 25/2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and more questions. If you have any question about these two exams, GRE and SAT, please share in the comments. Thank you so much. So first thing first, we try to use the coordinates to draw the triangle uh, based on two axes of x and y, and we have the coordinates, so it's easy to draw 3 points, at first 3 points and then the sides. It's gonna be something similar to this. uh, First, remember the area of triangle formula: base multiplied by height divided by 2. And after drawing the triangle here in the based on two axes of x and y, we'll figure out that base is coincident with the y, and also height is going to be parallel to x. So when so it's easy to measure base because we have this point, it's 0 and 5, so the base is going to be equal to 5, and also height is parallel to x, so the uh, it's going to be equal, so the height is also equal to 5. So based on the formula, it's going to be 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, or 25/2 is the final answer.